I might be able to do this without a flexibit. I'm not quite sure. So I'm going to have to go to the store before I cut these boxes in, because maybe I can lower this box just enough to get a long drill bit. I've seen some bits, like maybe 16 inches or so at the store, you know, a paddle bit, and I might be able to do it that way. Instead of getting a flexi bit, I'm not sure if I can get one the right size that I need. I'm just going to have to see. Let's see, I'm below the arm of the TV. The bottom edge of the TV is about right in here. I don't want to get too low to the bottom, or else you're going to see this plug peeking out from the bottom. Okay, so I want to still keep it up there, maybe about in there. So if I'm just going to put just a pencil mark there. I can wipe that off, and now I can figure out where this is, where this fire block was. It's right there. So the bottom of it is there, and then it goes up this way because I'm running this from the bottom up. Let's get this going here again. Battery's getting a little low on it. Okay, there's the bottom right there, and then it goes up this way. Okay, so I've got to measure between that and up above and see how far that is. And I'm right at about 16 inches from there to drill through there. And I don't know if 16 inches is going to be enough for that paddle bit. And that's if I'm drilling straight up. And I'd have to put that bit in at a slight angle. Last thing I want is to get it in the wall at too much of an angle. And then I could drill a hole outside the back side of this wall. I don't want to do that. So I'm not sure if that's going to work or not. And besides, I would have to lower this box down that much lower. So I don't know. I really don't think that's going to be an option. So I'm just going to have to take a slight break and go back to the store. Man, I wish I would have checked that. You know, when I was making my material list, I could have checked for a fire block, and I thought later, oh, I hope there's no fire blocks in that wall. And, you know, this is an interior wall, and sometimes, believe it or not, they do install fire blocks in interior walls. Not all interior walls are going to have that. But it's always best to check. Again, my loss is your gain. I should have known better.